Alright, so I'm going to try to start the car now with starter fluid that I got. Can't even read that. Okay, basically all I know is that the car has spark and the battery's fully charged. I don't know if it has compression and I don't know if it gets fuel. So basically when I spray the starting fluid for 2 seconds right in here, this is what happens when I try to start it. 1, 2, and starting it. And that's it. It's every time I try to start it, it does that. So I was wondering what I guess the next step could be. I tried everything, like resyncing my keys, using a different key. I don't know, scanning for engine codes. So if anybody knows what the problem could be, maybe comment or reply on the thread. Thank you. Alright, so I'm gonna do this test again because I realized that this is actually an elbow, and I think if you spray it in the center, a lot of it could get pushed back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it for 3 to 4 seconds instead of 2 seconds. And this time when starting, I'm going to give it full throttle. And my result last time was slightly different. So here's what happens when I spray it in longer and at a different angle. It's kind of hard. Alright, and now I'm gonna go full throttle on the accelerator, and this is what happens. Come on. So there you go. The result is slightly different. Like it almost started that time. I don't want to crank it too long because I don't want to wear out the starter, and I don't want to I guess completely drain the battery. So I don't know if it's getting fuel or not, because I guess it kind of started because it went to about 500 RPM. There was another video on YouTube where some old car had some starter fluid injected into the intake, and it ran for about a second or two. I injected a lot of starter fluid. I waited for dry for about 10 minutes between the tests, and I don't know, that's all I can get. So if somebody could maybe give me some direction about what to do next, I guess I should do a compression test. The car didn't overheat as far as I know. I did the cooling system overhaul about a year ago, and last time that I drove it, before I got this problem, as far as I know, the car drove home. It didn't overheat, so it's probably gonna have compression as far as I know. And I guess to add, I checked all the fuses twice, so I guess it's not a dead fuse issue. And I also checked the voltages on the pin 15 of the coil, and also in the glove box fuse, to diagnose if it's an ignition switch issue. But I got voltage on both tests, and I don't know, it's not an intermittent problem because it doesn't start at all, and I don't think it's the ignition switch because the air conditioning works, the fan works, the radio works. So I have no idea what it could be. I have an automatic. I thought it was the safety parking switch, but I tried starting it in neutral. It didn't start either. So I don't know. I have no clue what it is. So maybe if anyone had a similar issue to this before, you can comment about what tried and what made it work. Thank you.